Hey, what's up guys? Just decided to be able to jump here to give you an update about my FB account, okay? And to let you know that my account is actually back, okay? And it's awesome, okay? That's really freaking awesome. So what did I do? What did I do to make sure that my account was back, okay? So I'll just say if your FB, if your Facebook account has been disabled, what, okay, follow these steps, okay? So that's the thing guys, if your Facebook account has been disabled, follow these steps, okay? So what are the steps? Okay, just be able to go down here and say, okay, step one, okay, step one, you need to do is what I did guys, I waited 2 to 3 days, okay? So wait for 2 to 3 days, okay, to see if anything happens. Then if nothing happens, go to step 2. So step 2, okay, step 2 is requests for a review, right? Request for review. A review simply means that, and what is involved in the review, okay? Basically this is what is normally involved in the review. So in the review they'll be able to ask you to be able to confirm your email address. You need to confirm your email address, okay? So confirm your email address, that's important. Then 2, they'll also be able to ask you, okay, for your phone number. So it's good to be able to use the same email that you used in your previous account, just to make sure that you are safe, okay? So that's quite important. Confirm you use the phone, the email address, excuse me, and the phone number that you used on your registered account. That will just make sure that you're on the safe side, okay? Now, number 3, what you need to do is, right, to be able to be asked to be able to upload a photo. Upload a photo, okay? Upload a photo. Basically what I do is that when I'm uploading this photo, I take the photo that I used on my Facebook profile, the account that has been shut down. I use the same photo to be able to upload, so I don't change the photo so that I don't look like a different person, okay? So after that, we've done that, what you need to do is that wait for 2 to 7 days and check if your account has been restored. Most likely it will still be, it will just get restored. So most of the time it will get restored, but just in case it doesn't get restored, okay, this is my experience, just in case it does get restored, what are you supposed to be able to do? Most of the time Facebook will give you a chance to be able to download the information, okay? So this is step number 3, I think number 4. So if account not restored, make sure to download their information, okay, so that you can be able to use it for the next account, because the fact that your account has been disabled, that's not the end of the world, okay? So that's the thing guys. Basically I'm so glad that this account I requested for review and it's been approved, so I'm just so happy, okay? Now that it's been approved, I'm like, yeah, that's the thing. So I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for that. But just in case your account gets shut down, don't worry, don't panic. Even if they don't restore your account, still that's okay. You can always be able to create a new Facebook account. So download the information, then in case it doesn't get restored completely, go ahead and be able to create a new account, okay? New account with a different password, with a different email, and use a different laptop or computer. Okay, use a different laptop or computer. Why? Because if you use the same laptop, you use the same computer that you used, they'll be able to track the computer IP, and you may end up like, if you're doing this, you're an agency or something like that, you may end up like your account being disabled, and you'll have nowhere to be able to go. So I think that's just quite important. So guys, that's basically it. Those are the steps that I followed to make sure that my account was restored, and I'm just great about it. So just be able to give you a recap. Okay, if your account gets shut down, what are you supposed to be able to do? Number one is wait for 2 to 3 days to see if they'll be able to review the decision. If they don't review the decision, go ahead and be able to request for review, and they will ask you to be able to confirm your email address, phone number, and upload a photo of yourself. Sometimes they may ask you for your passport and ID. Just do this thing. Okay, then wait for 2 to 3 days to 7 days and check if your account has been restored. Most of the times, if you've not done anything creepy, they'll be able to restore it. Okay, and if your account is not restored, make sure to be able to download all your info, because maybe you've had this account for 10 years, been very active, you've been posting organically. Okay, so yeah, just make sure that you're able to download the information, all the posts, all the pages you manage, all the groups, and all the posts you've ever done. You'll be able to get them back. Okay, so that's quite amazing. Of course, you've lost the account, but still you can still be able to have all the posts that you've done. Then lastly, create a new account with a different email and use a different laptop or computer. Why is that? Of course, you want to make sure that they don't be able to track you through the IP address and be able to block your other account. So that's it for now, guys. I just want to be able to share my thoughts, because I've gone through this. Maybe you're good through the same, or maybe you'll be watching this after your videos your account has also been shut down. So I just want to make sure that, guys, and also if you watch my previous video, it's good to know that my account has been restored, and I'm happy about that, and I hope yours too will also be restored. So wish you the best, guys. If you've got any question about Facebook, just make sure you can be able to ask questions. And if you want to be able to learn how you can be able to start your own agency, beauty funnels, I want to encourage you, go to amcsolutions.uk/agency offers. Okay, amcsolutions.uk/agency offers, and there you're going to be able to get an opportunity to be able to sign up for free, not really for free, but for a funnel platform where you can be able to build all your funnels. You can be able to build unlimited funnels. You can be able to help other businesses be able to have their own funnels. It's quite amazing, and I hope this offer you still be able to find it. We've got one-time offer where you just pay once and you never again have to pay for another account. So if you're paying for an expensive software, you're paying for an expensive software, I think you can be able to save some money by paying just once, and that's quite awesome. So guys, thank you so much. That's it for now. I'll be able to see you in the next video.